In this video, let us find the continuous compound interest. To find the present value of an account where the interest is compounded continuously, we use the formula A equals to P e raised to RT. The reason why we use A equal to P e raised to RT is mainly because of the compound interest formula A equals 1 plus R by M whole raised to MT. This number of times it is accumulated, that m is infinite. When m tends to infinity, this 1 plus r by m whole raised to mt always becomes an exponential factor. So this will be p e raised to rt. Let's find the continuous compound interest under this in this case. What amount will an account have after 2 years if 5,000 is invested at an annual rate of 8%, which is compounded continuously? So if you are interested in finding continuous compound interest, we use the formula A equals P e raised to RT. And here M, since it is treated, say, daily, M will be 365 and T is equal to 2. So 5,000 e raised to R is 0.082 and we get A value to be 5,867.55. So in order to get this, we can use a calculator where e raised to 0.808 times 2 can be obtained and then multiply by 5,000. We use a e value in the calculator rather than rounding this value. So the future value will be $5,867.55. Now for the same problem, we can use the TMB solver. But in TMB solver, we always use n to be m times t. M is the number of times it is compounded. Here it is compounded infinitely, it is continuous. For an infinite case, we have to use a large result. So let us use this huge amount to represent m. So that amount multiplied by 2 will be my n, and this amount will be the payment per year, accumulated per year. So using this also, I can get the same future value, $5,867.56. So if I am trying to use a large amount per n, and that payment per year, then that will give you the correct future value. So for amount, for 5,000, when you're paying 5,000, for 2 years, after 2 years, the future value will be this. And if you want, you can compare that result with the previous result what we had. Let us do another question here. How much should you invest now? At 10%. So we do not know what the principal amount is. To have 8,000 towards the purchase of a car in 5 years. And the interest is compounded continuously. Again, we are using the same formula A equal to P e raised to RT. In this, the value of A is known, R is known, T is known. P is unknown to us, so we have to use this algebraic operation of getting P as 8,000 divided by E raised to 0.10 times 5. So when you use that exponential factor in the graphing calculator, we get the value for P as $4,852.25. The same value we can get using the TMB solver in a graphing calculator. So in a graphing calculator, we use a large value for m, use the same large value for m, but here it is for 5 years with an interest of 10. And the future value has to be 8,000. We are trying to find the principal value. So you can easily get the principal value using this result. So when I press this and get the result, I get the future value to be 4,852. So this video helped us to understand how to find the continuous compound interest, mainly using the formula A equal to P e raised to RT, or using the infinite value in our TMB solver. So if you are using a TMB solver, you can easily get the interest rate R, you can get the time T, you can get the present value, you can also get the future value. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for listening and thank you for watching.